Welcome back on this Thursday morning. So we are still going to be active for the next couple of days, and it's all thanks to the same system that brought in the rain yesterday. Today, though, we're more focused on a rain and snow mix across the area, and then accumulating snow tonight through tomorrow, and eventually ending on Saturday with a warm-up occurring for the end of this weekend through next week. So that's what we really have to look out for. Certainly going to feel more like spring later on in the coming days, but today, not as much, or not as much for tomorrow either. So right over parts of Delta County, Escanaba, seeing a little bit of this light rain and snow mix right through parts of Bramston, Gladstone, seeing more of that liquid precip as some light sprinkles and some light rain. All this stretching along US 2 to near the Garden Peninsula at this moment. So we will see the coverage increase throughout the day in with this area of low pressure. It's located right just to our southwest along the Wisconsin state line. It's a slow moving one still with us, so it will still track slowly east and southeast. But from that system, most places have already ended up with around a tenth to about a quarter of an inch of rain in most areas to the west from yesterday's rain event, and then isolated spots to near half of an inch to the east from that rain. Some places ended up with some very heavy rain at times yesterday morning. Today, a different story, looking at low to mid 30s in the west with upper 30s to around 40 degrees in the eastern counties, so that would support more of the light rain in the east. Now tomorrow, all of us will be colder. Look at this, upper 20s to the west into the lower 30s across the east, so that will reflect mainly snow for us tomorrow. And it is also going to be a little bit breezy as well. Once that system passes east and we tap into that colder air, winds will increase. Gusts will be around 30 to near 35, so not too high, but just enough to kind of make it the air bite a little bit. Here's your hour by hour for today. Snow showers will increase in coverage across the west end. This is midday. We're looking at a mix in the central counties when we start to warm up a little bit this afternoon, and some light rain to the east. Tonight, though, the snow spreads from west to east and it all transitions over this wet, slushy snow. We're going to see higher intensities in the higher elevations across the west end. So moderate to heavy snow likely throughout the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll still have snow across the north and especially those higher elevation spots, but eventually it'll kind of come to an end on Saturday morning. The higher elevations of the Keweenaw, the Porcupine Mountains, and parts of the Huron Mountains could end up with around a foot of snow, but most areas to the west will range 7 to 9, and then we're ranging at 4 to 6 right near Lake Superior, and least amounts expected to the south. So if you're in Dickinson, Menominee counties, you're not going to pick up this round of snow a whole lot. As we head towards the end of this weekend, we start to see more of a quiet Sunday with temperatures above